Hello, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, and incredibly, two new fires have erupted today in the heavily populated inland region east of Los Angeles. Santa Ana winds continue to blow with 60-mile-an-hour winds predicted to last through the evening. A fast-moving fire spread into the northern neighborhoods of the city of San Bernardino, forcing the evacuation of 490 homes, 1,300 people, the fire department said. Aerial video from a news helicopter showed at least 4 homes burning as the fire grew to 200 acres. In the neighborhood Riverside County, evacuation orders were issued for homes around a 75-acre fire in the city of Jarapa Valley. 3 homes and 2 outbuildings were confirmed destroyed. That fire came after Wednesday's fire in Jarapa Valley forced the evacuation of 2 mobile home parks and a psychiatric nursing care facility where elderly people wearing gas masks and wrapped in blankets were taken out in wheelchairs and gurneys as smoke swirled overhead. The blaze grew to 200 acres in size before its spread was stopped, and that was touted, sheriffs think, because criminals in a car that was being chased started the fire. The winds that are creating California's most destructive wildfires prompted a brush fire to explode in sides before it broke out dawn Wednesday near the Ronald Reagan Library. Officials ordered 30,000 people there to evacuate before being allowed back home Wednesday night, as fire crews began to get a handle on that blaze. And so they have not determined what that fire was, but Southern California Edison said it began near its power lines. Electric equipment has sparked some of California's worst wildfires in recent years. And in Nevada, 20 seniors with wheelchairs and walkers were trapped in the dark in a low-income apartment complex during a 2-day power shutoff, and PG&E did nothing. And PG equipment that wasn't de-energized may have ignited a massive blaze in Sonoma County, wine country, that destroyed 133 homes. PG&E has admitted their equipment may have started that fire. And the Weather Service meteorologist said that they are not expecting any Santa Ana's winds next week, but that only extends for 7 days. So 2 more fires in Southern California. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great day. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool, as the case may be. Stay safe. And peace negotiations are underway with Kathy, but she has to be able to listen to me, or there will be no peace in our time. Bye-bye for now. Happy Halloween. It was all I could do, by the way. All the smoke from all these fires has aggravated my right lung. It was all I could do to walk today to the post office and feed Tiny One. Gasping for air once again, but at least there's no smoke in the air. I'm hoping that when I go out tomorrow and get the cayenne pepper and the honey, that this remedy will kill off the sinus infection once and for all. Either that or will kill me off. I don't know. Kathy wanted to go out today for Halloween, and I said, no, I'm too sick, and we have to resolve issues. And after walking a mere 6 blocks each way, I had to keep stopping to gasp for air. There's no way in hell I would have gone out today. So she wants to be romantic, and I want to be listened to. And when I tell her to do something or ask her to do something, she needs to do it. And the other thing is the evil ratty one, and her evil influence on Kathy needs to be lessened. All right, bye-bye for now.